Hi everyone, my name is Bobby, and today I will be showing you how to upload your list of students step by step via CSV import. First things first, you may be asking, why create individual logins for your students? Is this mandatory? And these are great questions to be asking. It is not required for you to give each student their own personal account. However, keep in mind that without a personal account, students won't be able to make notes, highlight, or bookmark their places in the books. Nor will they be able to read any single user titles that you may purchase from the store if you ever choose to do so. If that's okay with you, then you can go ahead and close out of this video. Your students can just access the books using the common user. If you haven't created the common user for your account, please see the Set Up Your Account video before continuing on with this tutorial, as your students will not be able to access your digital books without one, whether you create personal accounts or not. If you have created the common user and are ready to import your list of students, log into your admin account and go to the admin dashboard. Once on the admin dashboard, go ahead and click Import Users. You will create regular users for each of your students. Regular users are general accounts that will have access to books and notation tools. Right here in the first sentence, you're going to go ahead and click on Regular User Template. Once you do, it'll open in Microsoft Excel and it'll look something like this. The first line will be blank, and the second line will contain a header of information. Do not touch these, or else the import might fail. All you need to do is delete the sample user information and begin filling in the document with your student usernames and passwords. These usernames and passwords can be whatever you would like them to be. These usernames should be between 3 and 50 characters long and can contain numbers, letters, and special characters. A lot of people like to use student ID numbers or email addresses or a combination of the first and last name. However, you can use whatever you'd like, as generic or non-specific as you'd like. They can be user 1, user 2, user 3, and so on. It's entirely up to you. Passwords should be at least 4 characters long, and they can either be all unique or all the same. We'll go ahead and fill in a couple more students here. And remember, these can be as unique and generic as you would like. After you've finished filling out the document with all the usernames and passwords, you're going to go ahead and save it to your computer. Once you save this document to your computer, you can head back to the Import Users page. Once back on the Import Users page, you'll want to scroll to the bottom of the page where it says Choose File, select it, locate the file in your computer, and make sure it's set to upload. Below, you'll want to make sure that Select User Status is set to Active and Select User Type is set to Regular. Once those settings are confirmed, go ahead and click the Upload Users button. Once you do, you'll get a message that says your upload's in progress. Depending on the number of users you have and how fast your internet speed is, it may take upwards of an hour. However, if after an hour you have still not received a success or error message, close out of your browser and try logging in again. Go to the admin dashboard and then head back to your Manage Institutional Users. If you don't see your list of users, feel free to either try the import again or send your list over to our customer service department, who would be happy to assist you. If you do get a success message and see your list of users uploaded, then the import was successful and your students can now log in. Students will first log in to the common user and then into the regular user accounts. If you'd like to see the various ways your students can log in, please check out our student login videos, which you can share with your students and their parents.